English Speaking Practice Part 26 Doctor, Clinic and Medical Appointment English Conversations. Hello everyone. Welcome back to another English Speaking Practice lesson with me, Isha. Today we're going to learn useful English for visiting a doctor and going to a clinic. Sometimes we need to make an appointment, talk to the receptionist, explain how we feel, answer the doctor's questions, understand basic instructions, or ask about a follow-up visit. So today, we'll practice natural English sentences for these situations. Listen carefully, repeat after me, and practice speaking with confidence. Let's begin. Lesson 234, Making a Doctor's Appointment. I'd like to make an appointment with the doctor. Certainly. Is this your first visit? Yes, it is. What kind of appointment do you need? I'd like to see a general doctor. When would you like to come? Is there anything available tomorrow morning? Yes, we have an opening at 10:30. That works for me. Your appointment is booked. Thank you. Lesson 235, Talking to the Receptionist. Good morning. I have an appointment. Good morning. What's your name? My name is Isha. What time is your appointment? It's at 11 o'clock. Could you please fill out this form? Sure. I'll fill it out now. Thank you. You're welcome. Lesson 236, Waiting at the Clinic. Excuse me, how long is the wait? The doctor is seeing another patient right now. How long will it take? It should be about 20 minutes. Okay, I'll wait. Can I sit here? Yes, please have a seat. Thank you. You're welcome. Lesson 237, Explaining how you feel. What brings you in today? I've been feeling unwell. What's bothering you? I don't feel very well today. What seems to be the problem? I've been feeling tired lately. Do you have any other symptoms? I don't feel energetic, and I haven't been sleeping well. I see. Let's talk about it. Lesson 238, Describing a problem. When did you first notice this problem? I noticed it a few days ago. Has it gotten worse? Yes, it has become a little worse. Does anything make it better? Rest seems to help. Have you had this problem before? No, this is the first time. Okay, I'll take a look. Lesson 239, Answering the doctor's questions. Have you been feeling this way every day? Not every day, but quite often. Have you been sleeping well? Not really. Have you been eating normally? Yes, mostly. Have you been drinking enough water? I think so. Have you taken anything for it? No, I haven't taken anything yet. Okay, thank you for explaining. Lesson 240, Asking the doctor questions. Is it something serious? It doesn't appear to be serious. Is there anything I should avoid? Try to get enough rest. Can I continue with my normal activities? Yes, but take it easy for a few days. When should I come back? Come back if the problem doesn't improve. Okay, I understand. Thank you, doctor. Lesson 241, Understanding medical tests. Do I need any tests? I'd like you to have a few basic tests. What kind of tests do I need? We'll check a few things to understand the problem better. Where should I go for the tests? The testing area is on the first floor. When can I get the results? You should receive the results soon. Okay, thank you. Lesson 242, Understanding medicine instructions. Do I need any medicine? Yes, I'll give you a prescription. How should I take it? Follow the instructions on the prescription. Should I take it with food? Check the instructions carefully before taking it. How often should I take it? Follow the dosage given by your doctor or pharmacist. Okay, I'll make sure I follow the instructions. Lesson 243, At the pharmacy. Hello, I'd like to get this prescription filled. Sure, let me take a look. Is this medicine available? Yes, we have it. Could you explain how to use it? The instructions are written on the label. Should I ask the doctor if I have questions? Yes. If you're unsure about anything, contact your doctor or pharmacist. Thank you for your help. You're welcome. Lesson 244, Asking about a follow-up. Do I need another appointment? You may need a follow-up visit. When should I come back? Come back next week if necessary. Do I need to make an appointment now? Yes, that would be a good idea. Okay, I'll book one. Lesson 245. Asking for help in an urgent situation. Excuse me, I need help. What happened? I suddenly feel very unwell. Please sit down. Can someone call for medical assistance? Yes, we'll get help immediately. Thank you. Stay calm. Help is on the way. Lesson 246. Leaving the clinic. Am I finished for today? Yes, that's all for today. Do I need to come back? Only if your doctor recommends a follow-up. Okay. Thank you for your help. You're welcome. Take care. Thank you. Goodbye. Lesson 247. Useful clinic vocabulary. Now let's learn some useful words. Appointment. A scheduled time to see a doctor. Receptionist. The person who helps patients at the front desk. Patient. A person receiving medical care. Symptom. A change or problem that you notice about your health. Prescription. Instructions from a doctor for medicine. Pharmacy. A place where medicines are provided. Checkup. A medical examination to check your condition. Test. A medical examination used to learn more about a problem. Follow-up. Another visit after the first appointment. Waiting room. The area where patients wait to see a doctor. Repeat after me. Appointment. Receptionist. Patient. Symptom. Prescription. Pharmacy. Checkup. Follow-up. Excellent. Lesson 248. Pronunciation practice. Repeat slowly. Appointment. Appointment. Receptionist. Receptionist. Symptom. Symptom. Prescription. Prescription. Pharmacy. Pharmacy. Patient. Patient. Follow-up. Follow-up. Very good. Lesson 249. Listening practice. Listen carefully. Yesterday, I had an appointment at a local clinic. I arrived a little early and spoke to the receptionist. After waiting for a short time, I saw the doctor. I explained how I had been feeling and answered a few questions. The doctor suggested some basic tests and gave me some instructions. Before leaving, I asked when I should come back. The receptionist helped me arrange another appointment. Now answer these questions. Where did the speaker go? The speaker went to a clinic. Who did the speaker talk to first? The speaker talked to the receptionist. What did the doctor suggest? The doctor suggested some basic tests. What did the speaker arrange before leaving? The speaker arranged another appointment. Excellent. Lesson 250. Speaking confidence practice. Repeat after me. I can make a doctor's appointment in English. I can talk to a receptionist. I can explain a problem clearly. I can answer a doctor's questions. I can ask questions politely. I can understand basic medical instructions. I can talk to a pharmacist. I can ask about a follow-up appointment. I can communicate confidently at a clinic. I am becoming more confident every day. Very good. Final speaking challenge. Imagine you're visiting a clinic. Repeat after me. I'd like to make an appointment. I have an appointment at 10:30. I've been feeling unwell. I noticed the problem a few days ago. I'd like to ask the doctor a question. Do I need any tests? Could you explain the instructions? When should I come back? I'd like to arrange a follow-up appointment. Thank you for your help. Excellent. Now try to say these sentences without looking at the screen. Don't worry about making mistakes. Speak slowly. Speak clearly. And keep practicing. You've completed part 26 of our English speaking practice series. Today we learned practical English for doctor appointments, clinic reception, waiting rooms, explaining problems, answering questions, medical tests, medicine instructions, pharmacies, follow-up visits, and urgent situations. Remember, learning English becomes easier when you practice real-life situations. Practice these sentences again later. The more you speak, the more confident you become. If you enjoyed this lesson, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Keep practicing and keep speaking English every day. In the next lesson, we'll learn another completely new daily life English topic with fresh conversations and useful sentences. Thank you for learning with me. I'm Isha. See you in the next lesson. Take care and keep speaking English. Bye bye.